Ready? Ooh, she running. All right, so we sort of stashed some metal out here in the woods for our project. And there's some bees over here. I grabbed this piece right here and I got stung 12 times. So we're gonna have to solve that problem really quickly. Ready? Okay, so we'll have to solve this the old redneck way. We'll just blow shit up, right? I'm not trained, but I am a professional. So let's see whether or not this works out. They're over that way. Ready? They come out. I don't see any. All right, let's try some on the front side. Here you go, honey. Hold this. It's okay. It's just smoke. That's okay. Don't be nervous now. If that don't get them up out of the ground, nothing will. Sadly, this one's going to be a little closer, so I'm probably going to be taking that out of your hand. But it's okay. We got it. Give me that bag. Oh, she's running. All right. How about now? Any bees? Anybody? I don't see any bees. That's a good sign. Holy shit. All right. Might be able to slip in there and get our metal.
I know. Ya no me voy a reír. Ay, no. Ay. Es que, ¿dónde está el iPhone? Y con el iPhone ahí, ay, sí será. I know.
So I put my phone down underneath this here set of drawings, literally underneath. She starts the Polaris up and she's ready to drive off. I see the tape measure. I grab the tape measure and my first thought is, where's my phone? And after searching for the phone for like 3 minutes, I use her phone to call it, and of course the ringer's off. And so then she picks this up and she's pissing herself laughing. She thinks that's the funniest thing because I was so irritated. We've been out here playing with explosives way longer than we showed in the video. And we blew up more stuff than we care to mention. Hey honey, you gotta put it in gear. Oh, you think it's funny?
I know.
Ay, ay, ay.
So we were going back to pick up some more metal, and there was this comment she kept saying to me. I couldn't understand what she was saying, so she Google translated it for me, and yeah, I just figured I'd share that here.
All right, so we got some of our steel framing here. Needs a little cleaning. It's okay though. And we managed to get it out of the woods after we blew up the bees. We're gonna go ahead and cut it to about 98 inches. That gives us enough space on the outside of it to stay under the required width of 102 inches, 8.5 feet, without requiring a permit to be able to travel around, all that fun shit. And Anyway,
So subscribe to the channel because I am actually kind of having fun editing the videos. I think I'm getting a little bit better. I'm gonna try to go back and put these videos in order so you can watch them from start to finish. And I would like to actually one day look at it and see how I got better at editing and all that fun stuff. So subscribe, share this with your friends, hit me in the comments if you see anything that you want to make a comment about. And I guess we're going to be working on lower floor assembly this week. Hopefully we get some good video of that. We have a friend coming from out of town, so we're going to be tied up quite a bit. But yeah, we'll keep them coming. So if you like this, let us know, and we'll see you soon.